Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Webex meeting link. Now first, of course, head over and launch your Webex app and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Of course, for you to be able to generate a meeting link, you have to join or start a meeting first. And here you have two options. You can start a WebEx meeting immediately, or you can also schedule a meeting. For instant meetings, head over and start the meeting. So we're just going to start this meeting. And here you should see a three dot icon or the more options icon. All you have to do is click on it. And here you can see the copy meeting link button. All you have to do is click on this. And just by that, you have already got an access on the meeting link for this specific meeting. And next, for a scheduled meeting, just click on schedule a meeting. And from here, a new window will then pop up. Just customize details about the meeting. And in the meeting link section, you have an option to generate a one-time meeting link or just use your personal room link. Then once done, proceed by clicking on schedule. And here you can see the meeting link. You have an option to copy this invitation and send it with the participants. And from there, they should also have an access to the meeting link. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!